You and that windshield, man, you're lucky.
Yeah. I'm no dummy when I pick my motorcycle.
Connected.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually in Orlando on vacation, and just like you guys, when I'm on vacation, I like to swing by the local Harley dealer right there, right there. But I'm down here chilling at Orlando Harley Davidson, taking a look at some of their, dude, they got some sweet custom baggers in here, custom paint, really decked out stuff that I want to show you guys. And then they're hitting me up with a demo bike, a 2018 Heritage Softail. So 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8, I'm on that. Down here with Blockhead, of course, at I-4 store, Orlando Harley, like you already knew that was happening. So he's on his 110 Screaming Eagle. You kind of compare those bikes, talk back and forth a little bit about that, and let's go in here and look at some of these bikes. My 18 Heritage, not mine for the day. Let's get a ride.
I was talking to you earlier about the M8 versus the 110. You've ridden all of these models,
Right.
so
The M8 is faster.
is it?
It's faster than mine, yeah. Yeah, so the new Softail Fat Bob 114, faster than this. However, this has more torque.
Yeah.
Right, so off the line it feels faster, but long run the Milwaukee 8 beats it.
So what about ride quality? What do you think? Like the smoothness and...
I think they have really good ride quality. Like I haven't ridden long distance on one of them. Obviously you're getting that experience right now, so you'd be able to speak, more about it than I would, but just the ones that I did ride, they were pretty comfortable, and the suspension was actually surprisingly good from what I thought. Anyways.
Yeah, that's what I think. I like the new Softail. I like that they changed it up and all that stuff, but I rode one down the interstate for like 20 miles for, test riding during a job. And that is the day, it was actually a Softail Slim, but that was the day that I was like, wow, they are like way different than what the old Softail was. To me, the ride quality on the new Softail is better than the Dyna.
Yeah.
Where the old Softail versus the Dyna, Dyna all day. Neither of them rode better or were faster or anything enough to like pick one out. The Dyna look is better to me. With the M8, it's a new ball game, in my opinion anyway. But a lot of my viewers want to know the Dyna Lowrider Special is coming up for sale. Like used, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So a lot of my viewers want to know, should they go M8 Softail or Dyna Lowrider Special?
Dyna Lowrider Special. Man, honestly, I've thought about trading Dyna Lowrider Special for the M8 Softail Fat Bob, but I just don't think I could bring myself to do it because of like how iconic, and it's like a last year Dyna,
Absolutely.
So
that's kind of how I feel about, like, I can't tell someone to pick one over the other. Like, to me, that Dyna is the only one that I would be like, I don't know, I might go with the Dyna.
yeah, it's it's a tried and proven platform. It's been around for a while. Obviously, there's a ton of aftermarket options for it. I'm happy with it, man. It produces like a good amount of power. And I don't know, there's just that, the fact that it's like the last year.
Absolutely.
So shit, I would say, honestly, like if people can find them, I usually tell them to buy them.
Yeah.
Because you can't really find them anymore.
That's how I feel. Like, as much as I like this new Softail, I'd find it hard to pass up a 17 Dyna Lowrider Special.
Yep.
Any other Dyna, I'd be like, I don't know. And you know, unless you're wanting to like SoCal stun it out, you know, I haven't seen an 18 Softail like SoCal style that looked as good as the Dyna does.
Right, yeah, it doesn't have the same body lines to it.
Yeah.
That's the thing with the newer ones, you know, like how I just mentioned, going with the Dyna for the fact that it's been around a while and there's a lot of aftermarket options. Like, you've got way more different routes that you can take it, you know, because there's so many manufacturers out there that make parts for it.
Absolutely.
You know? So you don't have to be a custom fabricator in order to like actually make the bike your own. You know, you can buy like pretty much any damn part you want for it, from
for sure
fenders to bars to risers to bags to, I mean, dude, they make freaking those Plex audio kits that go into them now. I mean, fairings, dude, the opportunities are endless. You can do a chain conversion on it. Whatever the hell you want, you can do it to them. I'd say it almost has as much of a community as like the Sportsters, but the Sportster obviously reigns supreme in terms of aftermarket options and community. But it's like maybe one below Sportster.
Yeah, I think the only reason why that exists though is because if you ride a Sportster, all the big twin riders are going to make fun of you until you have a girl's bike, so you really have to stick together, you know? Yeah. Like,
so it's like a bunch of sharks and, you know, the Sportsters are the minnows.
Exactly. You got to be like, you got to stay strong in numbers when you ride a Sportster.
Yeah, power in numbers. That's funny, I never thought about it like that. But I mean, this is coming from somebody who's currently on a new Milwaukee A114, but you own two Sportsters.
On one Sportster.
Oh, one Sportster? What's the other bike? I forget.
The other bike is a bad boy.
Oh, that's right.
Which everybody always says, a fat boy. And I'm like, no, a bad boy. You know what? Never mind you.
You're like, man. What is the engine on the bad boy?
It is an 80-inch Evo.
Nice.
A true blockhead.
Yeah, buddy. Where the name of the channel came from, baby boy.
Oh, yeah.
Are you thumbnailing me while I'm thumbnailing you?
Yes, I'm thumbnailing you.
Hold on.
Beautiful. Yes, it is glorious.
All right, getting back left.
M8 power.
You in that windshield, man. You lucky.
Yeah. I'm no dummy when I pick my motorcycle.
Yeah, all right. You're like, oh, we're going a good distance? All right.
Yeah.
Mini bagger windshield.
Yeah.
Here's my windshield right here.
There you go. One thing though, like the seat, the seat is garbage, like for this far.
Yeah.
Already. Which I'm also not very conditioned. Like, I haven't ridden this far and I don't even know how long. I'm like a straight up city biker at this point, you know?
Damn city slicker.
Yeah. Dude, everybody is way behind us. I wonder if, I bet Miss Block and no windshield, she's getting beat up.
Probably. I think the speed limit is like 60 anyways.
Yeah, I think it is. That is one thing about these two bikes. Like, it is really easy, like 70, 80 miles an hour. Very easy to hit that speed and just be there.
Yep, it can definitely get away from you pretty quick, like.
Yeah.
And then you like quickly acclimate to the speed and you don't feel like you're doing the speed anymore. You just like crank it a little more.
Yeah, absolutely. That's one thing that I do like about the Sportster. Like, it reminds you, like, you know you're speeding if you're speeding.
Oh, yeah.
Like.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because you're like, oh!
Yeah.
Like hanging on for dear life.
Oh, look at the boats.
The boots, das Boots. Saw, dude.
That old man didn't even want to be my friend.
He waved.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he waved. Is that John Maxwell?
Hey, do I know you? Do I know you?
I watch you on the World Wide Web.
That's too funny, man. Did I tell you about running into, so I'm getting gas like right before we got on the turnpike, and this dude like grabbed my shoulder and was like, hey man, I watch you. I was like, holy cow, like that's never happened to me, like outside of work and like, you know, my normal places that people know they would see me, you know?
That's awesome, man.
That dude was just as surprised to see me as I was to have somebody stop him.
Yeah.
Or, you know, or I was to have somebody stop me. So, Curtis, what's up, buddy? Thanks for saying hello.
Nice. Yeah, man, it's funny because people will go up to you and they'll be like, I watch you on YouTube, but it's always the same question for me, and that is, are you Blockhead?
Yeah, that's true. How do people even know? Like, cause they must see you with your helmet or something?
No, man, like, people will walk up to me and they'll like walk up to our group and they're like, you're Blockhead. And I'm like,
yeah, because they know everyone in the group except for you.
Well, they'll do that and they'll be like, I recognize your voice.
Yeah.
Or like, we were at a bike event and they heard me talking and they stopped and they were like, you know, they basically came over because they recognized my voice.
Yeah, for sure.
I was like, that's funny, man.
Well, like, meeting you this morning, that's what I told the other guys while you were getting gas. I was like, yeah, I mean, he could have snuck up to me and I would have known who he was.
Yeah,
but
right.
as soon as you talked, like, that's how we know that your audio setup is great, because your voice is exactly the same.
Nice.
Straight from an owner of a Screaming Eagle 110, Dyna Low Rider Special. Softail M8. It's pretty legit. Even Blockhead said he was thinking about trading in on that Fat Bob. I'm a big fan of the Heritage Softail, but for the guys that always ask me which one is better, to some degree, having a Harley is about being unique, and the discontinued Lowrider Special, Slim Special, all those Screaming Eagle 110s, that's a tough decision. Well, you really need to ride them. They both have their pros and cons. I'm really glad Orlando Harley let me hold on to this Heritage 114 though. I don't know, bike with bags, 114 cubic inch M8. For me, I'm thinking that. For you guys, go take them for a ride. It's worth it. And for a change, swing by Orlando Harley, tell them John Maxwell sent you. I'm just kidding, tell them Blockhead sent you. We all know who really did it. Let's check out this Sandbar Sports Grill. So that's Sandbar Sports Grill. And special thanks to Orlando Harley for helping me with a bike so I can hang out with Blockhead and the crew today. And if you like this video, make sure to get a big dirty thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Tap the bell notification so you can join the Bell Squad and be notified when I upload. I'll catch you guys in the next one.